everyone, and welcome back to Good Food Made Better. Today I'm going to share with you a couple recipes, and the first one we're going to be doing right now are our chocolate croissants. They're super simple, they're only 2 ingredients, and they take 9 to 11 minutes in a 375-degree oven. We're going to be using canned croissants. It makes it a little bit faster, like I said, so that way we won't be worrying about making a homemade puff pastry for these. Super simple, very quick, and very delicious. So all we're gonna need are croissants, and then I'm using a mix of milk chocolate and semi-sweet chocolate chips. All right, well, if you're ready, I'm ready, so let's get going. The first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to get, I'm going to do 2 at a time. It goes a little bit quicker that way. But get your croissant rolls, lay them out, and then you're going to want to take a rolling pin because as you can see, this one's kind of skinny. This one's pretty much perfect. You want it to be wide enough to where you can sprinkle a decent amount of chocolate chips before you roll it up. Alright, so what we're going to want to do is take our rolling pin and just gently, I mean you don't want to smush it, roll it out. Just to where it's kind of just like the other one. Alright. Now, we're going to take some of our mixed chocolate chips. We're going to put them right here. And like I said, I mean, you want to do a decent amount. You want to take it and just like a normal croissant, you roll it up. Okay, beautiful. Now we're going to be putting it onto our greased cookie sheet. I'm going to go ahead and get all of these other ones done, and then you're going to want to pop them into a 375-degree oven for about 9 to 11 minutes. Are beautifully done. They're perfectly golden. So we want to take them off. We get this beautiful golden. We're going to lay them onto a cooling rack. There we go. I hope you guys love my chocolate croissant recipe as much as I do, and I want to say thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions, make sure you leave a comment down below. Make sure you give us a big thumbs up if you like this video, and subscribe for new weekly videos. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.